Okay, let's see how we can dismantle this HP battery, which likely has 6 cells in it. The way I do it now is I use a good old vise and attack it at the connector here and try to split open the casing. It's never very clear exactly where the casing, where the two parts of the shell are attached, so one sure way to get started is to go at the connector here, because yeah, I'd say it's probably a bit weaker here. Let's see, let's do this. Move this back a wee bit. Alright. It's easy to get carried away and destroy your hands when doing this. So, bit of a Iceman toothpick, and then move on. Depending on the amount of glue that was used in the process, it either pops out immediately or it doesn't. In this case it doesn't. Oops. Let's go after the other side. The advantage of attacking it also from this side is that this whole piece here is some kind of electronic, semiconductor, whatever it's called, printed board, I guess. So you can one can go after this fairly violently, and the first layer of the bowels of the battery that gets potentially damaged by the screwdriver or the ice pick is not the 18650 cells themselves, but this electronic, this printed board here. This one has some nasty little chemical leak here, maybe. Yeah, clearly there's a lot of glue used. Ah, look at that. That's ugly. Yeah, this cell. This cell is not a happy camper. No good, man. Well, sorry about that, but I just did another one and I forgot to press the record button, and here you can see it's all very clean. A bit of glue, but this is gonna dismantle just fine. I did another one. What is this? Panasonic cells, maybe, I can't remember, can't read it, but same deal. Another one here with no brand either, but you can see it's always the same idea, and then do a separate take on how to detach all the components here. Alright.